Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will like it here and that you will stay and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, y'all. And this is the Dollar Tree Train Red, White, and Blue collab. And this is hosted by Miss Jackie Russell. And then also Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More does all of our artwork, our thumbnails that you see, and our ads. So I want to thank both of them for inviting me to this collab. I have so much fun with the Dollar Tree Train. Y'all really seem to like it, and it's just a lot of fun. And also, we'd like you to rate. It's just for fun, but rate us 1 to 10, not against each other or anything, just in on our video, what you think of the items that I got. If you feel that you like them all, then give me a 10. If you don't like any of them, then give me a 1, like that. So I will tell you this to start off, that we'll all be doing a giveaway, and look for everybody's giveaway rules because they all might have different rules. My rules will be below. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. This is all on me. I will send out your giveaway that is purchased by me, and I'll put it in the mail. I'll get you a tracking, and if it's lost or stolen, I'm not responsible. If you're allergic to anything that I give you, I'm not responsible for that. All of everything's in the description, so look for that, okay? You have to have an address in the U.S. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to send it somewhere in the U.S. And I'll show you what I got. And I just hope y'all enjoy this as much. We have so much fun, y'all. And I love the different areas of the country. We all end up with different things. Some of us do share, we'll have the same item. My Dollar Tree is tiny. They don't even have like a refrigerated section that a lot of them have. No food like that. We have snacks, and candy and what have you. So when I went to go get my red, white, and blue items, I didn't come out with all red, white, and blue items. So let's see what I got. Of course, we start with, they have the best, $1.25. That's everything at my Dollar Tree also, I should tell you, is $1.25. I don't have $3 and $5 and $7 items. I don't have any of those. So I love their welcome signs. They're always so cute. Can you see there that says welcome in navy blue? And then there is the truck with the flag in it. And this is, this is just tin or metal or whatever. It's just so cute. That can hang on your door. They can hang, I have a carport, so it can hang in my carport somewhere. And I just think it is so cute. They always have the best hanging items, always have the best hanging items. So that's right there. This is something that I buy every year because it does get damaged for $1.25. This is a flag, and it seems smaller than last year, y'all. But this is, it's fabric, probably a nylon. And it's on this white staff, and then it hangs. And I hang this from a shepherd's hook outside, and the wind picks it up, and you'll see it blowing in the wind. And I usually put it out for the different flag holidays. So it's for $1.25. It usually ends up getting, ripped because the wind is so strong. So I usually end up getting one each year. I really like that. And another decor item. Because again, they have the best. If you want to decorate really simply and cheaply, they have great things like this. This is pressed board, and there's some ribbon. See how it's attached? And this says, "Land that we love, all my stars," and "Sweet Land of Liberty." So this again can hang anywhere. For the summer, I'll probably put it back there somewhere. You can hang it on your door, hang it in the house somewhere. If you're having people over to grill or something, you could hang it outside. It's so cute. And then it's easy to store because it folds up flat like that. So I really enjoy their decor items. And then I have, these are great too. These are great for all the time. And especially if you're grilling out or something. $1.25, y'all. These are huge. I'm counting this as one gift. I think they're 16 ounces. What's called a mug. I don't see an ounce on it, but look at how big they are. They do look to me like they're 16 ounces. So they're just, they had them in red and they had them in blue. I had to get one of each, and they're just big. And they have the handle, And you know what? So if someone drops it and breaks it, big deal. It was $1.25. But I think they're good and sturdy. I think that they'll do well and last a long time. So $1.25 for those, you know, each, $1.25 each. And then I have this cute thing. Y'all, when I'm doing my dishes, sometimes I have big pieces, you know, like a Tupperware bowl or something that's big, and I have dishes in the drainer and whatever. So I like to get these, it's cushioned. It is called a dish drying mat. It's $1.25 at my Dollar Tree. Let me take this band off and I'll show you what it looks like, because I can't always fit everything in the dish drainer. So I do replace this every so often. It's got some little plastics on it holding it together. You know, they get a little sour after a while. I put it down and I'll put my dishes on it and then have to, you know, take it up and let it dry before I put it back in my cabinet. But sometimes after a good while, they get sort of sour. So there's the back of it is red. And then we've got watermelon and strawberries on it. Isn't that cute? And you just lay your dishes on it, or, you know, bowls or whatever. And it's cushioned. I'm sure y'all have seen things like this. These at most stores, you know, like at Walmart, they're a few dollars each. So $1.25, if it gets, you know, stinky or moldy or something, you can just throw it out and get another one. And they always have cute designs for the different seasons. And they also usually have just plain, like if you want just navy or just red or something, you can get that. So I really like that because it's so useful, and it's cute in the kitchen too. It's cute. And then y'all, I can't believe this was $1.25. I can't believe it. Look at this. Now they did have some bands that were red, white, and blue, but I love the animal print. You know I love the animal print. So it has this beautiful bow. Y'all, it looks like a woven hat, but it is that type that is like washable. So does it say the ingredients of it? I don't think it does. It says that it's imported from Canada, made in China and then imported to Canada. But it is, you can squash it and stick it in your bag, carry it with you. You don't realize you might need a hat. You might be outside and it's really sunny and you need something to cover your head. It is super duper cute. Look at it. And they did have, like I said, they had different bands. And then this kind of, you can do different things with this, you know, whatever you want to do. It's so cute. And I could have got a red, white, and blue, but I prefer, this one I would wear more than a red, white, and blue. And I have some expensive hats. And there's nothing wrong with this hat. $1.25, and it's a great hat. I love it. I love it. So that is that. And then I found some pamper items, pamper me items, which I think we all need to do. We all need to pamper ourselves. I found this jade roller. It's by the brand Be Pure. And look at that. It's such pretty packaging too, y'all. Great for a gift. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because it may be in your giveaway. And this is my jade roller. And y'all, it looks exactly the same. Oh, pretty much. That bottom stone might be a little bit different looking, but this is definitely pure jade. I got this from an expensive box. So they look a lot alike to me. They look a lot alike, and I love it. The jade roller is a wonderful thing. So this is a great thing to have, and it might be in your giveaway. My giveaway is going to be a mystery giveaway because there's not enough time to show you. So I also have for you a mask. You gotta have a mask with your jade roller. This is Miss Spa brand and glycolic acid exfoliating sheet mask. This is a 20-minute mask, vegan, and it's women-owned. Miss Spa is women-owned. How nice is that? So you can use that with your jade roller. And we have Dove Body Love Rich Nourishment Cream for face and body. This is, see that you got your blue tub. This is cream. This is not a lotion. It's a cream, and it is super nice. I'm not going to open it. I think there's a seal in there, honestly, but it is great to have for your elbows and your heels. It's a nice, rich cream. And last but not least, another pamper item from Be Pure. This is a hydrating foot mask. So this matches the jade roller packaging. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? It's so pretty. And a foot mask is so luxurious, y'all. You put this on your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, this says 15 to 30 minutes on the package. And you just let this soak in. It's hyaluronic acid with avocado and niacinamide. And your feet will be refreshed, and you'll feel really good afterwards. And your skin, if you have trouble with your heels and your feet, your skin will be dry. Just know, do not walk around with these on. Put socks on if you want to, or what I do when I do a foot mask, because I usually will do it when I'm in my lounge chair, is I'll bring me a towel and I bring me some slippers. And so when I take them off, I can wipe my feet with my towel so that I don't walk around the floor with wet. You don't want to have wet feet walking around. You don't want to slip. So that is my little thing to tell you to be safe, okay? So I've got the masks and the roller and the body lotion and these fabulous cups and this hat. Y'all, $1.25 for this hat. $1.25. And the dish mat, love it. And the beautiful hanging things. Beautiful hanging things, which I love. I love to decorate. And the fabulous flag. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. So if you would like to be involved in my giveaway, say flag, F-L-A-G, and you'll be entered. And you have to be publicly subscribed to all of the channels involved in this giveaway. I'm sorry, in this collab. And the, like I said, the playlist will be below, and you can find the playlist under any of our videos. And you have to make a comment on all of the videos, whether you enter or not. So you might as well watch the videos and you might as well enter, y'all. So thank you so much for stopping by, and count your blessings. And it's so good to see y'all.